So hello everyone, welcome to my channel that is Talk to Invest. I hope so you all are great and fine. Right now this is a chart of Nifty. As I discussed, we can see a selling on this level, and right now we are currently trading on below level, and we touched 99.50 in the intraday, and we not sustain below that. We immediately get recovery from that level. So what is the next trade, what is happen for tomorrow? And there is only one day remaining day in the market, and what can happen for tomorrow? So as of now, if you see that the market takes a support on this, that is 99.50, and this is acting as a resistance. And if market comes to 99.50, if market comes below to 99.50, then we can see a lower level also. And if market sustains above to 99.50, we can see a new high in the upcoming days, and we can see 10,200 target on the upper side, and also we can see 10,300 target in the Nifty. So my watch is that this is the weekly chart in front of you. I am saying that the market can come to 10,263 or 10,314. So when I move to the daily chart, if you see that the market is making a doji at this point, and right now is market making a doji at the resistance point of time, so that we can see a bullish candle next behind it, and we can fill this gap which is remaining in the Nifty itself. If you see, this is the gap we see that the market can fill. That is around 10,200 target we can see tomorrow itself. As right now the global market is good, and we can see a higher target as well. So if I move to the Dow chart right now, and you say that Dow is almost recover, and it is currently taking a support of 200 EMA, that is 200 exponential and moving average, and we are right now just behind, and we are certain bit of late to reach into a 200 EMA. So we can see in 1 day or next week probably we can see 10,600 target on the upper side. This is for the Nifty. And if I go to the Bank Nifty chart, you see that the market Bank Nifty makes a evening star pattern here, one gravestone doji and next to this. So this is not a good pattern, but it is currently taking a support at this level, that is 200, 200, 240. And if we sustains to above, we can move to the upper side, and we can see like a doji here tomorrow, or we can see a great pattern happening at this point of time. And as I said, that is market is taking, and we can see a bullish engulfing at this point. So we can close little bit to 21, around 21 300 target for tomorrow. So if 200, 2,100 target to 1 300 target, 21 300 target crosses, we can see 22,000 level on the upper side. This is for the Bank Nifty. So as I said, those who said the Reliance is making head and shoulder pattern, and now it is moving up and up. And tomorrow itself, I can tell the that if market crosses, I have telling from here itself. I am telling you from here itself that if this level sustains, we can see above momentum, and those who shorted the Reliance are getting not much profit. And right now, tomorrow I itself said in the last video, yesterday's video, that if we take the support of 15 to 52, we can see target of 15,600 target almost. And if it recovers from, if it sustains, we can see 1671 target and the new high of the of Reliance. And if I move to the Bharti Airtel, there is some news of it that the Amazon can buy share in it. And if you see, we can see this green candle. So this is by the chance. And if I go to the 1 minute chart, and this is a gap here that the market moves suddenly 15th or 124, we see a new high here, and it breaks all the range and all the resistance, that is 571. So we hope so if we tomorrow see breakage of 600, we can open gap up and in the Bharti Airtel. And if we open gap up, we can see a new high of Bharti Airtel tomorrow itself. So if the retesting happening, we can retest 570 level again and we can move above. So this is for Bharti Airtel. If I go to the Sun Pharma chart, so it crosses this level that as I said in the previous video, and right now it is taking a resistance at this point 496. We can come up to 500 level coming days, so you can trade this for tomorrow. So this is for all this video. If you are new to this channel, please like and subscribe. I meet you on the weekend. Be safe and stay at home.